Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a wig review of the Fortune wig by Main Attraction in the color Pecan. Before I tell you my initial impressions of this particular wig, the Fortune by Main Attraction, I want to tell you that you should subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell so you get the notices, so that way you don't miss any of our wig reviews. I review a lot of stuff in a lot of different colors, and you may want to watch it. Maybe. I want to hear your opinions of this particular piece. I'm all about it. I'm here for it. Give it to me. Just so you know, Main Attraction lent me this wig for the purposes of this review, but they're not letting me keep it. I have to send it back to them. So, that's not really gonna sway my opinion much because it's not like it was a present. So just so you know though, they did send it to me for the purposes of this review because I reached out to them and was like, hey, COVID, don't have a lot of money, need to make reviews, help! And they sent me this. So I let them even pick the color. I like the color. I'm sort of digging this pecan on this wig. Though I wish they would have sent something highlighted so you could see all of the texture of this piece. I think you should buy this wig. I really do. And it's not because they sent me one on loan to review it. It's because of the fact that it's just really cute. I could see a lot of people really enjoying this wig and having a really great time playing with it. Plus, look at the minimal shine. I have intense beauty lighting going on this season, and you really can't see that much of a shine on this wig because there isn't one. The hair is very matte for synthetic hair. Now, usually that means it's gonna tangle a bunch, but not when it's this length, and it's got great texture. The layering is really stellar on this one. Beautiful curls. I love the front. I just really like this one. The hair is a little stiff right out of the box, but I kind of love that too because when you play with it, it just kind of stays. That's fun. I love it. You know, you can really play around with it a lot. It has a lace front that goes from, you know, a little bit short of temple to temple, but real close. Really, really, really nice cap features on this one. Look at the monofilament part on that. I think that the real thing that's the draw for this piece though is the way that the ends are cut. They're a little bit shattered. And the fact that it has all this luscious layering. Oh, this is just a really fun one. I have not put any product in this hair. It's just kind of stiff right out of the factory. So now that I've shown you what this wig looks like on the outside, let's take a look at her innards. Fortune by Main Attraction has a really nice cap construction. It has a monofilament top, but you can see that it's not as wide of a monofilament top as you might get with John Renault or Henry Margu wig. It has felt ear tabs with a little bit of metal to help keep it flush up against the sides of your head. You have Velcro adjusters with a really nice felt extended nape. There are open wefts in the back of this wig and on the sides. It's pretty stretchy too, which is nice considering that she's got all that monofilament. Monofilament, as many of you know, is very rigid and does not stretch. So all of that stretch is coming from the back where all that elastic is. It won't give you any additional room at the crown, but it will give you a little bit of stretch at the perimeter. And here's another look at that monofilament top. Just really beautiful construction on this, and there is a seam between the lace front and the monofilament top. There's also just a little bit of permatease up around the crown and on the edges of the top of the wig. You can kind of see that floral lace. That's where that resides. The fit on this wig is true to average, but it's very comfortable on me with my shaved head. You just sort of have to bear that in mind. This is really a great fit for anyone who fits within that range of petite average to average large, but if you're on the periphery of either to an extreme extent, it may be a little bit too big or a little bit too small on you. What do you guys think of Fortune? Do you like her? Let me know in the comments. I think that she fits a little bit tight on me, but she fits consistent with the rest of the main attraction line, particularly ones that have some monofilament features. I do think that this is, you know, a little bit more generously fitting than something like a Noriko or a Moore wig, which are really, really, really tight on me. I have a 23-inch cap circumference for the reference in case you didn't know. So I'm technically in an average large cap size because I have an average ear to ear and a large circumference. So I got a big head. Meh. But I like this one. I think she's stretchy, I think she's comfortable, and I think that the layering is super cute. And though I know that you guys are probably sick to death of these short curly cuts, I think that this one is really flattering, really easy breezy, and fun to wear. So as soon as I put this one on, I was like, right, people should buy this one. Because I usually don't even say that in my videos, but this one's really cute, and I think that you will have a lot of fun with it without having to actually work that hard at making her look cute. She just kind of comes that way right out of the box. Best case scenario, like I said, you'd probably enjoy this if you bought it. So let me go ahead and move on to my moment of gratitude. If you got all the way to this point of the video, I appreciate you, and the fact that you're such a hardcore fan that you'll let me rattle on for several minutes about hair and then thank you for it. So I love life. It's a great thing, and I love YouTube, and I thank you for helping me embrace both of those things a little bit more deeply. I'd also like to thank my husband for being such a wonderful production assistant for this particular day's shoot. He's been helping clean up after me. I have created a gigantic mess, so I'm very grateful for him helping me out as I kind of tear through hair, tear through makeup. It's like a big powder puff, and then when the, you know, powder clears, you're like, what just happened to this place? That is my life, my living room, my kitchen, my house right now. So I thank him for helping me with that. I'm very good at creating messes for the sake of YouTube. I would like to thank my patrons on Patreon and everybody who hangs out with me here. I really appreciate all my subscribers, but particularly my patrons, because they help me pay for fun stuff like new wardrobe and accessory items and makeup that help me really add a little something special to these videos. It gives me the opportunity to pair the makeup and the hair a little bit better, and I'm gonna keep exploring that to help you guys explore your options without you guys being the ones to have to fork over the cash for it. Let me do that for you. You can kind of, you know, live through me vicariously, and we will advance the cause of beauty and hair for everyone. Thank you for watching, everybody, and have a great night. Bye-bye.